Hey sis, how you girl? How you doing, baby? Yes, sis. I am back with another video. And basically, I got this tired ass wig on, and she's about to get revamped. Sis, she's getting revamped. And how I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna show you. Okay, so basically, I got this half plaited in kind of tight braids. I got one braid right here. I'm gonna braid this, and then I'm gonna dip it in some hot water. I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and dip it in some hot water. So anyway, what do you guys have planned for the new year? What are you guys' New Year resolution? Mine's is just to stay God fearing, be a better wife, better mom, a better friend, and sis, I'm trying to get this Billy popping. Okay. You feel me? So, I'm going to the gym. I'm trying to get right, trying to eat healthy, eat more vegetables, drink more water. And that's basically my New Year's resolution. And I want to be successful. I want to make changes. And that's basically it. Please let me know what you guys' New Year's resolution is. What are your plans for the holidays, and who are you spending your holidays with? Your family, your co-workers? Are you going out to the club? What are you doing? I really just can't believe that we're about to be in 2020. That's like crazy. We're really about to be in a year 2020. Like, how does that even sound? 2020 sounds like the goddamn end to me. It sounds like the end of the world, 2020. But what do I know? What do I know? Mm, we gotta get these baby hairs popping. See, I was born. I don't even want to tell you guys what year I was born, but I'm gonna tell you. I was born 1987. So to hear 2020, we thought that the world was going to end in 1999. We thought the world was going to end in 2000. The Y2K, all of that. They thought the lights was going to come off. We were going to have no electricity, or, you know. But we're still here. We're still progressing as people, individuals, as a country or countries. We're still trying to basically figure it all out, I guess. So, I'm not really gonna do, because I actually suck at this baby hair thing. I'm not gonna do too much baby hairs. I'm just gonna dip this bad boy in some hot water. Okay, so this is how the hair looks once the braids are out, the hot water. You know what I mean? It's cool. It's cool for what it is. I guess it looks better. Why don't you guys tell me what you guys think about this? Do you like the baby hair thing I did, or should I just cut it? I need to cut it. Should I just cut it? Because I don't know. But just let me know, like, comment, subscribe. Hit us up. Tell me what's going on with you. Stay in touch, okay? Bye.